News that will upset most Arsenal fans as the Gunners reportedly add Chelsea flop to their summer transfer list. According to the London Evening Standard, Arsenal alongside Liverpool and Man United have reportedly added Chelsea attacker Christopher Nkunku to their summer transfer list. Upon arriving at Chelsea, Nkunku was one of the hottest commodities in world football. However, inconsistency and injury has seen his stocks fall dramatically over the past couple of years. Managing only 10 goals and 2 assists this season, Nkunku has become somewhat of a bit part player at Chelsea, with the club now looking to move him on. During Mikel Arteta's tenure, we have seen a lot of former Chelsea players make the move to Arsenal, including Kai Havertz, David Luiz and Willian. Could Nkunku join that long list of players to make the move to North London? What do you think, Gooners? Do you believe Arteta will be able to revitalise Nkunku's career and bring him back to his former glory days? Personally, we don't want to see this signing happening for the Gunners this summer. However, please leave us your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button and follow Punchdrunk Arsenal for all your latest Arsenal news and transfer updates.